YouTube channel again. First of all, I'd like to apologize for my background and stuff. This is basically my garage space that I will be using for most of my bike videos in the future, and this is the place I got because the other place is occupied by my cars. So for today's video, we'll be going into the bike project. What the bike project is basically me transforming my bike into a cafe racer type of bike. In today's video, we'll be changing its handlebar and its headlight. So let me show you how I will change the handlebar and the headlight. I'll be using this 3-piece Moxi handlebar for my changing, and I'll show the headlight future on in the video. But without further ado, let's get right into the video and let's begin changing the handlebar. Basically, changing the handlebar isn't that much of a tricky task for me. The real task would be the headlight. For now, I'm going to remove the handlebar. It'll take me some time. So watch me remove it while I'll tell you a story. So basically, I got into bikes because of my friend, and I've been into bikes for a long period of time, but mostly I got into it because of my friend. A friend of mine who is a really old friend. We've been friends for 15 years. He also has a love for bikes the same as me. He got me into bikes basically, and now I'm in love with them as much as he is, or he's in love with them as much as I am. So basically, that's what developed my love. For now, let's see. After I'm done screwing this, I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, the handlebar looks really good on the bike. It's settled on it really well, more than I expected it to. It changed the look of the bike completely, especially the RPM, the meters and stuff. RPM I think would look better down here. I'm going to try to move it down. So after riding it for a bit, I've come to the conclusion that this handle does suit my bike a lot. Not even just my bike, my riding style too. It even looks good from the front and from the back. The only issue is the grips are too wide, so I'm gonna have to squeeze them in a bit, but that's the point of a 3-piece handle, that I can do that, so I'm gonna do that. So I've adjusted the grips to half an inch each, so this way it can be more on the inner side, and I think this should be good enough for my bike. In the next part, we'll be changing the headlight, and after that the final look of the bike will be transformed completely. Now that we've installed the 3-piece handlebar, the next step is to install the headlight. For that, I will be using this. This is a standard DRL LED that I will be installing into my bike. This is what most cafe racers use, and I will be changing my headlight for this. So firstly, we're going to remove the visor. I'll show you. We're going to remove this visor, then remove all the other parts and change some wirings up, and then we're going to install the bulb onto it and properly show you how the bike looks changed. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So firstly we're gonna remove the headlight, then we're gonna make some changes to it. So I'll get right into removing it, and after removing it I'll show you how to install that one. So let's get right to it. So basically I was working on it, and the problem occurring right now is that this is not fitting into this, and that's the reason I can't continue further. I'm trying to get it to fit into this. That's the main reason I'm stuck right now. So seeing that my new headlight had these plugs and my old headlight had this, I disconnected this, and I'm gonna connect these plugs to this and then put it on my headlight so it works properly. So basically I've made the connection now to the new headlight, and now we're gonna connect it to the bike. Let's see how. Finally, after a few days of effort, it took me a long time, but the bike is finally complete. The project that we were doing in this video is finally done. I've upgraded the headlight, I've upgraded the handle, and it looks amazing. Let me show you the frontal view of the bike after turning it on and show you what the headlight looks like from the front. Let me just here. So this is what it looks like from the front. It's a really good look on my bike. It completely changed what Toothless looked like. And I really love how it looks now. It gives a really cool cafe racer type vibe and I love it a lot. And the lighting on it, it's really good too. It gives off enough light that I can see at night, and without practicality, a bulb is a light. Headlight is nothing, so it works really good even for night. It has two modes, day, obviously high and low, and the DRLs look really good. Let me just turn it back and show you. See, the view from the handle side is this. The view from the riding position would be something like this. The view from the front looks like this. The side view of the bike is the best, it's my most favorite. It looks like this, and I really love the side view of it. This is the back view. This is what it looks like from the back. And how can we forget the exhaust side view? The exhaust side view looks something like this. It's also a side view, and I really love how the sun is shining off my bike right now. It really looks very beautiful, and I'm in love with it. The handle, the headlight, the look, the complete look looks amazing, and I'm completely in love with this. Let me show you a few clips of me riding of it on it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. And finally, I have completed this project number 1, which was to upgrade my handlebars and my headlights. And building a bike like this, making it into a piece of art, is really an amazing hobby to have. And I'm glad I have that hobby. And maybe it took me a while, but love is love for these machines. It took me 3 days to make it, but I'm really happy with the results. So if you want to look into my channel more, if you like this type of content, subscribe. Consider subscribing, it's free. And until then, see ya.